Do your ears feel blocked, but nothing comes out when you try to clean them? That heavy, full, underwater feeling can be more serious than you think. Let me tell you about Mary. Mary is 62. One morning, she woke up and said, "My ear feels blocked." She tried cleaning it. Nothing. She used cotton buds. Still nothing. But the strange part, she could hear sounds, just not clearly. At lunch, she kept asking her husband, "Can you repeat that?" By evening, she felt frustrated, even anxious. She thought, "Is something stuck in my ear?" But there was nothing there. Let me ask you, have you ever felt this same blocked sensation? Here's the truth most people don't know. A blocked feeling in your ear does not always mean wax is stuck inside. In fact, many times there is nothing physically blocking your ear at all. So what's causing that pressure? There are a few common reasons. One, pressure problem, very common. Inside your ear is a small tube called the Eustachian tube. Its job is to balance pressure. If it doesn't open properly, your ear feels full, heavy, blocked, even though it's actually empty. Here's something surprising. Most people who feel blocked ears don't have earwax at all. 2, mild hearing loss. As hearing changes with age, sounds may feel dull or unclear. Your brain interprets this as blocked, but it's not blockage, it's reduced clarity. 3, fluid behind the ear. Sometimes, after a cold or sinus problem, fluid can sit behind the eardrum. You won't see it, you won't feel it coming out, but it creates that underwater feeling. 4, jaw or sinus pressure. Even your jaw joint or sinus pressure can affect how your ears feel. That's why some people feel blockage without any ear problem at all. Quick question, does your ear feel more blocked when you wake up or when you have a cold? That's a big clue. Let me explain this in a simple way. Your ear is not just a hole, it's a system. Air pressure, fluid, balance, nerve signals. If any one of these is disturbed, your brain senses it as blocked, even when nothing is physically stuck. That's why cleaning your ears again and again doesn't fix the problem, and sometimes it can actually make things worse. Using cotton buds too often can push wax deeper, irritate your ear, increase that blocked feeling. Be honest. Have you tried cleaning your ear again and again, but the feeling stayed the same? Now let's talk about what actually helps. 1, try swallowing or yawning. This helps open the pressure tube in your ear. Simple, but very effective. 2, stay hydrated. Dryness can affect ear pressure. Drink enough water daily. 3, steam inhalation. If your ears feel blocked after a cold, inhale warm steam. It helps reduce internal pressure. A warm shower can sometimes instantly relieve that blocked feeling. 4, avoid overcleaning. If there is no visible wax, don't keep cleaning. You may be irritating your ear. 5, check your hearing. If the problem continues, get a simple hearing test, because sometimes what feels like blockage is actually early hearing loss. 6, modern treatments. If needed, doctors can help with pressure issues, fluid problems, safe ear cleaning, and if hearing is involved, modern hearing aids can improve clarity significantly. If this has been worrying you, let me reassure you, this is very common after age 50. Many people feel confused, frustrated, even scared, but in most cases, it is not dangerous, and it can be managed. You are not alone in this. I'd really like to know, do your ears feel blocked, even when nothing comes out? Comment below, blocked but clear. Let me leave you with this. Not every blocked feeling means something is stuck. Sometimes your ear is telling you something deeper. So instead of guessing, understand the real cause, because when you treat the right problem, you get real relief, and that means better hearing, better conversations, and a better quality of life. If you found this helpful, stay with me. In the next video, I'll show you how to safely check if earwax is actually the problem.